afternoon. My name is Matthew Persico, and we're going to go from a bad situation to a good one today. So my personal limit here is converting Perl to Python. I've got a program at work. It's a large main script and a number of modules. Okay. You're welcome. So with this large script and a large number of modules, I don't want to big bang it by converting it all in one shot because it's going to take 6 months to do and won't show any progress. So my idea was to use inline Python, convert a module at a time, install a module at a time. You've got milestones and measurable progress. So technically, you take foobar PM, you move that to foobar Perl PM. You write a Python version of that. And then you create foobar Python that's got the inline code that just basically does import the module, and you're good. But now I've got two modules. I've got foobar Perl and foobar Python, and I don't want to change my original code, flipping it back and forth to make the changes. So what I need is a way to get foobar func to call the Perl or the Python as desired. So it's pretty simple. I just can't show you because it's all proprietary. However, all I'm really doing here is flipping between Perl modules. Whether the Perl module calls Python or doesn't is irrelevant. So I'm just choosing between two Perl modules. That sounds like A/B testing. A/B testing without the complication of having to put up separate servers and separate IPs and doing all the mapping. So this afternoon at lunchtime, I wrote the following. I took the code we had and I modified it. So as a simple example, okay, hang on. Ooh, that's bad. Wow, is that bad? Hold on. Oh, shit. Yeah, that too. Come on, come on. It's not going to get anywhere. Damn it. All right. All right. Should be Control-Shift+. Is it changed? Is it getting any better? There we go. Slowly but surely. All right. So we've got a sample module here, foobar. It's got one function, Picard says 4, and a thing to call it. And if you run it, it's pretty simple. As you see, I've done it already. It says that's not going to help either, but you run Perl X and it says 4. If you do the other, oh good, okay. I've basically got multiple modules here. I've now got foobar that's calling Picard. I've got one foobar B, my B test that calls 5, and my A test that calls 4. But the question is, what's the magic? The magic is, oh, good Lord, did I not load? I didn't load the magic. That's bad. Hold on. Did I load it? No. Hang on a second. Control-X-F. Yep, the cursor live demos. I forgot to load the one thing I needed, which is the magic. Lib ab.pm. ab.pm is simply an autoload function. And I stick a specification in a known environment variable, and it loads whichever one I want. So what I've done is I've already started one. This one here in the debugger, which should be there, okay? Let's see. So I'm about to step into this particular function because it's the easiest way to demonstrate it. As soon as I get a cursor up, step in. So the foobar now just becomes a autoload dispatch. So I write my own autoloader, and it says call my autoloader. AB autoload. Autoload's got the information of what actually got called, and all the other arguments you feed it are passed in. And if my cursor would behave, okay, in. So now I'm stepping through, and the magic, this is all verbosity stuff. The magic's here. My function is Picard, okay? because it came off of a FUBA card, there's a regular expression. Hold on. Reorganize this. Okay, I'll move the code later, but step in. Okay, so then I get the environment variable, compose that, and in the environment variable, there was none. So this is going to go to A. So I've got foobar A is the target package, and the call is now foobar A Picard. And with that, I can step into the auto load, and that's the A package. If I go out and I redefine the variable to be foobar, to be B, it'll step into the other package. So if you want to do A/B testing, instead of having to set up multiple servers with multiple different executables, you just put all the modules everywhere, and then you can wrap your call in a shell script that does a random, picks a module out of the air, or picks one of your versions, sets it, and then makes your call. If you've got enough instrumentation to record what you're actually running, then yeah, I think this would be an interesting way to do A/B testing. And it doesn't have to be A/B, obviously. Any name goes in there. The stuff I had at work is pretty much the same stuff, except with Python, you've got to do a little data thunking on the way in and handling exceptions on the way out. So there's more code behind it, but it's the same concept. Any questions?